Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down in order to find other security settings and find the option Clear Credentials. As you can see, it is in this credential storage section. Simply tap on this option and confirm it with OK. As you can see, not only we've got this information, but this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.